Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to put audio in Google Docs. So you'll be needing Google Drive for this one. So you want to open a new tab and then go to Google Drive. And then over here to left sidebar, I'm going to click on New, then click on File Upload. And then you want to go ahead and upload your audio. And after you've uploaded it, just right click on it and then click on Share. Now click on Share again. Then you just want to change the general access to anyone with the link. And after that, just go ahead and copy the link. Now you're going back to Google Docs, and then I'm just going to put a text over here, like for example, listen to audio here, something like that. And then I'm going to highlight this text, and then I'm going to click on insert over here at the top. Then I'm going to click on link. Then I'm going to paste the sharing link of the audio from Google Drive, and then I'm going to click on apply. And after that, when you share this document, they'll just have to click on this and they'll be brought you your audio in Google Drive. So that's it. Thanks for watching.